Hello, I'm Jerry Ford, the beer review guy. I've got a Ballast Point Brewing Company beer, and this is a porter. Um, it's called a Mocha Marlin porter. It says porter with coffee, chocolate, and natural flavors. That just sounded really, really good to me. Um, so it is a 6% ABV, and I looked at the date real good now. I thought I looked at it pretty good when I was in the liquor store. I think I was just looking at what it was, that it said coffee, chocolate, and natural flavors. That just kind of got me, and I was like, I really want that. But I think it says November of 18, so November of 2018, so it could be 2 years old. And at 6%, it's kind of iffy. It's not really very high to help keep it, still good. So I'm a little hesitant that it might not be very good anymore. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. I've had this sitting out a little over an hour to help get that chill off there. It was pretty cold. My refrigerator, it's really cold. It runs really cold. So those of you that don't know, porters and stouts, you can get the flavors better if the beer is, closer to room temperature. So we'll see. Speaking of temperature, it's 41, feels like 38 out there right now. So it's cold. It's cold here in Oklahoma, and a porter sounds good right now. So so let's see if it's still good. Smells good. It looks good. It's a nice, frothy, rich-looking head. Head's raising up kind of quickly, but it didn't overflow. So we got about a 3-finger head. I poured it a little aggressive. But we got a dark color on that. Can't see through it. The head is a mocha, like it says on there. It's very frothy, very chocolatey looking head. So let's check it out. Hopefully it's good as it looks and smells. I didn't really smell it, but it does have a nice, rich, chocolatey aroma. I am getting coffee. Natural flavors, well, I'm not going to smell the natural flavors. I'm going to taste those. Okay. Let's try it out. It's got a medium, close to full body. Getting a little bitter on the back end. Getting a little bit of a baker's chocolate on the front there. Coffee is there. It's not really real pronounced, but it is there. There it goes. On that swallow, there's a bitterness on the back end, a little bit of dryness. there might be just a little bit of tinniness in there that could be from being a little bit older. I don't know. It's not real big, but it's kind of there, so I don't know if that's a flaw in it after it's been setting a little bit longer than what it should maybe. But it's not big enough to, you know, be off-putting. It's flavorful. It's a very mocha, yeah. It's got mocha characteristics. Like I said, it's getting the coffee. I'm getting the coffee on the back end, getting a little bit of the baker's chocolate up front there, and a little bit of it, the bitterness. Baker's chocolate's not really sweet, so it's also bitter. But there is a light sweetness in there. It's not totally just coffee bitter, so it's kind of got a mix between Baker's and milk chocolate. So it's balanced pretty well. That tinniness that I mentioned, it's not huge. I just kind of pick it up a little bit. But it's good. This is a good porter. I really would have liked to have had it a little bit more fresh. I bet it really would have been awesome. But 2 years, I mean, it's held its own pretty decently with just a 6% ABV on it. Got that blue Marlin there jumping up out of the water. Excuse me. Okay. Well, I will end it there. I thank y'all for watching. Let me know if you've had this particular porter and what you thought of it. It's a nice one. And I will see you all on the next one.